வெல்கம். உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச ஃப்ரூட் சொல்லுங்க, அதோட பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க.
மேங்கோ.
It is rich in vitamin C, good for eye health. Regulate blood pressure. It contains dietary fiber, gives energy. Thank you. Oil energy, nuclear energy, coal energy, natural gas, renewable energy, solar energy, hydropower energy, geothermal energy, wind energy. Water dam, mountains hill, solar planet, street light, river, windmill, wind energy. Thank you. Sunlight, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, minerals. Shake. Cone. Cuboid. Cube. Cylinder. Triangular fusion. Triangular pyramid. Thank you. Brain is protected by the skull. Brain is protected by the skull. It has three main parts mainly: forebrain, hindbrain and hindbrain. It helps us to think and perform various actions. Lungs. Lungs are located in our chest. They are strongly saturated organ. When we breathe, we take in oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide. We have two kidneys. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs. The kidneys purify blood by filtering excess water and toxins. Heart. Heart is located between the lungs, almost up to the center of the chest. It is made of cardiac muscles. It pumps blood to all our body parts. Thank you. அதியமான் காரி கல்விலோரி நெடுமுடி காரி வேலை. Thank you.
இது வர்க்கம்.
மலை, பனிக்கட்டி,
जरा आवाज सब खड़ी है।